Hello, hi everyone. So, how are we doing today? It's your coach Glena, and you're welcome, my Glenifiers today. So, in this section, we're going to be talking about the categories of the different chemicals used in the production of water-based chemical and oil-based chemical. In the previous video, we talked about the different types of chemicals and their function. For example, we talked about fillers, which we have examples of fillers, which are calcium carbonate. So in this section, we're going to be talking about the categories of different types of chemicals. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the course area. So I'll be explaining a few chemicals function for better understanding. So let's treat few chemicals used in water-based paint production. Number one is titanium dioxide, commonly known as titan in the paint chemical market. It is whitish in color and it's sticky when touched with fingers. They give paint a light color effect and require body coverage to the paint. They are powder in form and also usually the first chemical to be added into the mixing drum after water. Titanium dioxide is a crucial chemical in paint production, primarily due to its role as a white pigment. So here is a brief description of its use in paint production. Number one is opacity and whitishness. Titanium dioxide is valued for its exceptional opacity and ability to provide a brilliant white color to paint. It is the go-to choice for creating white and light color paint as it effectively covers underlying surface and impacts a clean, bright appearances. Number two, UV resistance. Titanium dioxide also offers UV blocking properties, helping to protect painted surface from damaging effect of sunlight. This is practically important for exterior paint where durability and color retention are essential. Number three, hidden power. It enhances the paint hidden power, allowing it to mask imperfection stains and previous paint layers on the surfaces. This is vital for achieving a uniformly and professional finishing. Number four is durability. Paints containing titanium dioxide tended to be more durable and resistant to fading, making them suitable for both indoors and outdoors application. So titanium dioxide is a crucial component in paint production, primarily for its role as a high performance white pigment that enhance opacity, UV resistant, heating power, and overall durability of paint coating. The next is calcium carbonate. So, calcium carbonate, commonly called calcium in the chemical market. Calcium carbonate is used in paint production as a filler and pigment extender. It helps improve the properties of paint in several ways. We have two types of calcium. We have the local calcium and the foreign calcium. So these are the functions of calcium. Number one is extender. Calcium carbonate is an inexpensive extender that increases the volume of paint without significantly affecting its quality. This is especially useful in the production of architectural paint as it reduces the cost of paint production. Number two, opacity. It enhances the opacity of paint, making it better at covering underlying surfaces. This is crucial for achieving the desired color and appearances when applying paint to the walls or other surfaces. Number three is rhenologic. Calcium carbonate can influence the rhenologic properties of paint to control its velocity and flow. This makes it easy to apply and spread evenly. Number four is gloss and whitishness. It can improve the gloss and whiteness of paint formulation, contributing to a more aesthetical pleasing finishing. Calcium carbonate serve as an essential complement in paint production by providing cost-effective volume extension, improving opacity, controlling rheologic, and enhancing the final appearance of the paint. However, calcium is not used in the production of certain paints. So, number three is your Caroline. Caroline is another type of extender used in paint manufacturing. They are also used to increase paint body thickness and increase plasticity. They are optional when producing emulsion acrylic paint, but a must when producing Tesco paint. However, it should be avoided when producing white paint because Caroline are mainly off-white in color, and as such, we reduce the intensity of the white paint. But if you can lay your hands on white Caroline, you can use it as well. So Caroline are type of clay used in paint production for various purposes. Functions of Caroline, number one is your extender and filler. Caroline serves as an extender just like calcium and a filler in paint formulation. It helps increase the volume of paint production without significantly altering its color or quality. This especially valuable in reducing production cost for paint manufacturers. Number two is radicolor control. So Caroline clay can influence the radiologic of the paint, affecting its velocity and flow characteristics. This assists in achieving the desired consistencies for different types of paint, such as primer, texture, coating, and water-based paint. Three, shine and texture. Kaolin can be used to modify the shine and texture of paint. It contributes to the matte or satin finishing, depending on its practical size and concentration in paint manufacturing. Number four is anti-settling agent. Kaolin clay also acts as an anti-settling agent, preventing the settling of solid pigment and other components in paint. Can over time settle. So kaolin prevents it from settling and it ensures that the paint is dispersed well. So kaolin is an essential chemical in paint production and a primary extender just like calcium. It modifies the texture, enhances its velocity, makes it valuable for achieving specific paint properties and improving the overall quality of paint production. So these are the few chemicals category for water-based paint. And of course, you're going to get more explanation in your free ebook. We do not want the video long. So we're going to move over to the chemical used in the production of oil-based paint.